Words about the story of the report. Alien. Alien. An alien is a creature from a different world. The alien came in peace. Among. Among. If you are among certain things, they are all around you. There was a red apple among the green ones. Chart. Chart. A chart is a list of information. We used a chart to see how we had improved. Cloud. Cloud. A cloud is a group of water drops in the sky. The sky was filled with white clouds. Comprehend. Comprehend. To comprehend something is to understand it. Henry could not comprehend the message. Describe. Describe. To describe is to say or write what someone or something is like. They describe their tree as colorful with gold ribbon and star. Ever. Ever. Ever means at any time. Going skiing last winter was the most fun I've ever had. Fail. Fail. To fail means you do not success in what you try to do. Since he failed to get the job, he was sad. Friendly. Friendly. Friendly is behaving in a pleasant, kind way towards someone. The friendly animals came up to the girl. Grade. Grade. A grade is a score or mark given to someone's work. I managed to get good grades on my report card.
Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.